The persons who have studied here, they remember this Alma Mater and come back once in a year to share their joys and sorrows, their experiences. In this way, it's a unique institution in Karnataka, and especially in modern on the principles that the people should be disciplined, multifaceted, and also the people who have the patriotic power to defend this country. All these urges, when I was talking to your principal, and it is a Hindi. So that is one of the reasons why you call yourself as Ajit. And Abi, the fear comes out of ignorance, fear comes out of greed, because we may likely to lose something or the other. So therefore, one has to be fearless. Challenges that the life may throw at your face, then you become Abi. That's what this Sainik school is going to teach you and to model you on that fashion. So therefore I say that it is my proud privilege. All you are inheriting all those things. When you land in Bijapur, wherever you go, you see all monuments around you. And you feel as though you are a part of the history. After all, history is the events of the bygone day. Whatever that we do, whatever we do not do, will become a history for the next generation. But whatever our forefathers have done, and that becomes history to us. And this is the continuity of life. One who do not understand the history, then he will not be able to shape the present, nor he will be able to visualize what the future should be or ought to be. Therefore, the history is the one thing which generally repeats, but many a times it repeats consequently. So therefore, we have to be very, very cautious and careful. When a history cannot be repeated in a fashion that we cannot recreate it. When people who had the desire of doing some well-being to the fellow human being, therefore the Basavana and others, the great saint and reformist in 12th century, he had created a movement which changed the face of this earth and the mankind. That is one of the reasons why I call it is the land of legend and also most important area. But how come it has become a backward district? One of the most backward districts are in Bijapur. Though it is in Bombay, Karnataka area, one of the well-administered East India Company and subsequently from the Britishers. And in spite of it also, with your other brothers of the three districts of the Ashwell Dharwar or Karwar or of Belgaum, the Bijapur is one which is bracketed with the Nizam Shahi districts, which was ill-governed at that time. I also come from that area, though I belong to the former Madras presidency. But however, now the Bellary is also any this thing, it is on account of lack of funds. Sir, I assure you, the principal sir, that I will certainly take it up with our PWD minister. I may not be able to, and I will certainly assure you that this government, Mr. Siddaramaiah, our Deputy Chief Minister and Finance Minister, I will be able to get a crore of a rupee for the maintenance of the building. Now I know, and also the principal and members of the staff and the students here for having given me this opportunity to be amidst you. Thank you. Thank you very much. And at the same time, some of the things that you have now given to me during the course of my discussions with several of your friends and staff members, I think it is high time that we will have to look into this a great institution which can never be and should not be allowed to decay or to lose its stature. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring speech. Now I request Ajit Narayan Angadi, the Vice Chairman of OBA, Bijapur, to propose sincere vote of thanks.